Hello. This house has 3 bathrooms that cost more than the average home. 2 of them are stunning, and 1 of them could have had a mistake that would have ruined everything. The first bathroom was bold and blingy. This bathroom is the total opposite, and it's personally my favorite, right, Santiago?
It is, you love this one.
And people always ask about this bathroom. Peekaboo. This is everything. Right, Santi? This
oh my God,
window.
this is the most beautiful artwork of the entire house.
Yes, it is just framing these gorgeous palm trees. It's a totally organic, biophilic, meaning bringing nature into your space, this experience. And I just love this bathroom. So our inspo
So
for
talk to me about the materials, colors.
So since this was it, we don't want to take away from this view, right, Santi?
Nope.
So we chose everything very soft. The other bathroom, everything was wow, blingy, da-da-da-da. This one we chose also full slab marble like we did in the other bathroom because that's super stunning and luxurious. But the colors that we used are very soft. It's almost like a taupey grayish, I would say. And it has some beautiful soft veining. And we carried this throughout the floor just like the other bathroom, but just different colors. The vanity, fluted. I was fortunate enough to stay in the Amman in Turks and Caicos. And I fell in love with everything there. Amman is very organic and natural. And they use so many natural woods. And I just love this fluted wood. And you see there's gold in here also in the finishes, but they're a brushed, soft gold. Not like the other bathroom. Right, Santi? Because there's 2 bathrooms, so we wanted them each to have their different vibes. There are 2 big mistakes that could have been done in this bathroom.
A big mistake could be the selection of the wood for the vanities. On this one is solid wood, which is certified
FSC.
wood. It's not NDF, which is what the industry is doing today, which is part of the manufacturing takes a lot of resins that are so toxic that they off-gas, not for one day, they off-gas for many years.
They don't even know how many years. And NDF is just typically much cheaper, but it's really so much more toxic. So you really need to ask
The manufacturer, what material or what process do they have to be concerned about the off-gassing.
Now, this bathroom has a window, but it's kind of like the other bathroom. The window doesn't open.
Avoid mistake number 2, which is the glaze on the window for privacy or protection, the UV rays. The sun destroys everything that's around it. So it is important to do the right selection so you have both privacy and protection from the sun. Although I wouldn't use a window treatment here.
Right, because you're an exhibitionist, but if you're not, we suggest the privacy. Also, don't let the contractors mislead you. We keep bringing that up. You want the technical sheets of knowing that you're getting the right glazing. And don't let them convince you to do that tacky frosting or frosted glass.
How can you destroy this?
Exactly. This is beautiful. If you think your bathroom has all the right materials, but yet just doesn't feel right, it could be your lighting. A lot of people don't really realize that, and Santi's going to show you all about that in this bathroom.
There are 2 powder rooms in this house, and this one is the blinking one. It's the elegant one. Look at the beautiful marble that we selected, shiny, a full slab on the walls, and the vanity, which is gorgeous. It's on a shiny, lacquered, and gold details. It's the wow factor of the house. Before we talk about the light, that could have been a very big mistake. I'm going to talk about how we got inspired about the colors of this bathroom. We wanted something earthy, but at the same time elegant. So materials that are mineral colors and tones contrasted with the gold and the crystal faucets, all in a very shiny finish. On a space like this that's very dark, has no natural light, and the colors are very dark, key selection of light. That could be mistake number 1. The balance of lighting. So we chose all different sources of lighting, warm lighting on the ceiling, dim lighting on the sides, and white for makeup on the mirror. This gives you like a very natural light for enhancing not only the space, but how you look in the mirror.
It's very important to layer the lighting. In a dark space like this, if you don't layer the lighting, right, Santi, it's going to look like a cave.
Like an awful cave instead of being a glamorous room that we wanted to create.
I also think it's super important. We always suggest to people to invest in buying the lights and holding them up against the material first.
Because in showrooms, they don't define the real.
Yeah, the light is awful in the showrooms. And as you see, this room is just, wow, it's gorgeous.
It's well balanced with the light and enhances the entire design and materials.
Santi, you triggered the toilet, which we'll talk about next.
Well, this is not only they're luxurious, but these intelligent toilets are it could save your life. because they do measure not only the water, not only provides with the heating and all this luxury things, but they also provide with very important tests. They measure how hydrated you are, if the stool has blood, the pH of your urine. And this is a lifesaver, not only a luxury item. So welcome to the world.
There are no seams here because these were slabs of marble, huge slabs of marble. It was incredible. I wish we had video of them bringing it in. And so one thing you want to be careful of is there was an enormous amount of adhesive and solvent used to adhere this very heavy marble to the wall. So you want to be really careful about what you use. We hope you're loving the video so far because we have so much fun making these videos for you. So please subscribe. Any questions or comments, let us know. All right, so we are going on to our favorite, biggest bathroom. And really there are two big mistakes that could potentially have turned this bathroom into a mess upstairs.
Welcome to this huge, beautiful bathroom in the main room of the house.
What an entrance.
It could have had two very big mistakes. We gutted the whole thing like we did in the other bathrooms in the minority of the house when we remodeled it. But let's talk first about the inspo of these rooms.
And the finishes, the beautiful
finishes. We wanted something to be very zen with lots of wood on a very natural tone and stone slabs on the walls that are
used a
very neutral material.
Yes, very light. Again, full slabs, just like we did in the other bathrooms, which is very stunning and very high-end and very luxury.
The focal point is the artwork, and we chose, instead of being gold, a more traditional finish for the plumbing fixtures and the countertops.
Yes, let's look at that. Let me zoom on over.
Then the wood is certified.
Yes, FFC certified. And then let's just, the floor are porcelain.
And look at the ceiling also in wood.
The ceiling.
It gives that very beautiful, warm spa feeling.
And the contrast against the light marble is just beautiful. And we have this big, yummy tub. It looks out onto the bay. It's just absolutely beautiful, the bathroom. Gorgeous.
So let's have a look at this gorgeous shower.
Get in that shower, Sandy.
It's a dual system and a huge area with the biggest rain head that I ever seen in my life.
Twice the size of your head.
But that could be problem number one, the excess humidity and the waterproofing, that you should not be skipping on it because that's something that's going to be really hitting you hard in the future.
Yes, so a lot of people go for, they don't even realize that the contractor uses the liquid.
Instead of the full membrane waterproofing.
Right, you need the full waterproof membrane system. Don't get the liquid.
You will not regret it. You'll see this gorgeous bathroom. It could be destroyed by another missing item in the punch list that makes it a big mistake, which is humidity. And that destroys the wood and the entire room. So ventilation is key in a space like this. So do check proper ventilation with exhaust fans and other items to protect all the materials, and you can have a bathroom for many years to go.
Another potential mistake could have been on the water heater for this tub, right, Santi? Because if you don't have one that's large enough, you have this beautiful big tub, you want to jump in and enjoy it, and guess what? The water's not hot because you don't have enough hot water because you chose a water heater that's not
the proper size.
Right, going to meet the needs of this.
So if you want this not to be only a decorative item, but something to be used, do search on the quantity of water required to fill this tub.
If you want to check out any of the fixtures we used in any of these bathrooms or dupes, just go to our Amazon storefront. Also, please subscribe because we're always making videos about interior design, but our focus is health, less toxic, and we don't use anything animal-based because we love animals and we love humans, so that's really important to us. Our next video, if you want to check it out, is also about bathrooms. We renovated, I think that video shows 4 of the bathrooms that we renovated in the Hudson Valley, New York project, and it's really great. You get a lot of really good tips as well.
You're going to love that video.